The Morning Trap: 9 Daily Habits That Silently Undermine Senior Health. For millions of seniors around the world, mornings set the tone for the rest of the day, but also for long-term health. As we age, the margin for error narrows. What was once a harmless habit at 45 can become a serious risk at 75. And worse, many of these habits are considered healthy by default, like drinking water as soon as you wake up or checking your blood pressure right away. But in the wrong context, they can do more harm than good. Habit 1. Drinking water right after waking up, good or bad for the elderly? Heavy exclamation mark symbol thought it was good, turned out to be dangerous. Many people believe that drinking a large glass of water right after waking up will help the body stay awake and detoxify. However, for the elderly, this habit can be more harmful than beneficial. Microscope: what happens in the body early in the morning? The body is slightly dehydrated after a night, but at the same time it is also regulating blood pressure and hormones. If you drink too much water immediately, the body can mild hyponatremia, dizziness, fatigue, confusion. Sudden drop in blood pressure, easy to fall when standing up. Reduce the effectiveness of medications taken in the morning, especially thyroid or blood pressure medications. Older women who should be careful. If you belong to one of the following groups, you should avoid drinking a lot of water right after waking up. Taking diuretics, blood pressure medication, thyroid medication. Have kidney or heart disease, or have had low blood pressure when standing. Often dizzy, often fall. White heavy checkmark: how to drink water properly? You should only drink 1/3 cup of water, 100 milliliters, after waking up. Drink slowly while sitting. Do not drink water while standing. If you need to take medicine in the morning, ask your doctor how much water to drink. Divide the amount of water throughout the day. Do not drink a lot at once. Speech balloon personal suggestion. For young people, drinking a lot of water in the morning can be good. But for the elderly, every action needs to be more careful. Drinking water is not bad, but drinking at the wrong time and in the wrong way is the problem. Habit 2. Standing up too quickly after sleeping, a silent danger for the elderly. Heavy exclamation mark symbol: standing up is a small thing, but for the elderly, it can cause a big accident. Many people have the habit of jumping out of bed right after waking up. It sounds simple, but in the elderly, this action can cause sudden dizziness, lightheadedness, dangerous falls, especially in the morning. Left pointing magnifying glass: why is it dangerous? When you are lying down, blood rushes to the heart and brain. If you suddenly sit up or stand up, the blood has not yet circulated enough to the brain, which can easily lead to orthostatic hypotension, temporary cerebral ischemia, dizziness, unsteadiness. Risk of falling, broken bones, head injuries, especially for people with osteoporosis. Who is susceptible to low blood pressure when standing up? People over 60 years old. People with diabetes, Parkinson's, heart disease. Taking blood pressure medication, diuretics, sleeping pills. Have fallen in the morning. White heavy checkmark: how to get up safely? Remember the 3 steps, 30 seconds rule. Lie still for 10 seconds after opening your eyes to get the blood circulating. Sit up slowly, let your feet hang down on the bed, wait 10 seconds. Stand up slowly with your hands, stand still for another 10 seconds before walking. White right pointing backhand index total: it only takes 30 seconds but can avoid dangerous accidents. Speech balloon personal suggestion. I have seen many elderly patients hospitalized just because of morning falls in the bedroom. If possible, place a chair near the bed and put a non-slip mat to reduce the risk. For the elderly, Slow and steady is wise. Habit 3. Drinking coffee right after waking up, more harm than good. Hot beverage morning coffee, a common habit, but not necessarily good. Many older people have the habit of drinking coffee right after opening their eyes to wake up and start a new day. However, this is the worst time to use caffeine. Alarm clock. Why shouldn't you drink coffee right after waking up? When you first wake up, your body is secreting the highest level of the hormone cortisol of the day. This is the hormone that helps you stay awake, regulates blood sugar and blood pressure. If you take caffeine when cortisol is high, the consequences are: the effectiveness of caffeine is reduced, drinking without being more alert. Increased production of abnormal cortisol, sleep disorders, anxiety, nervousness. The body gradually depends on caffeine to stay awake, easily tired when not drinking. Warning sign: especially dangerous for the elderly. Elderly people metabolize caffeine more slowly, easily lose sleep, heart palpitations. Caffeine can cause intestinal irritation, frequent urination, dehydration. People with high blood pressure or cardiovascular disease should avoid drinking coffee early. White heavy checkmark. When is the best time to drink coffee? Experts recommend best 1.5 to 2 hours after waking up. At this time, cortisol begins to decrease. Caffeine has a clear effect of alertness and should be drunk after breakfast. Avoid drinking on an empty stomach. Speech balloon. Personal suggestion: instead of drinking coffee as soon as you open your eyes, the elderly should drink warm water first to rehydrate the body. Have a light breakfast, then sip a cup of coffee if needed. If you have trouble sleeping, switch to decaf coffee or herbal tea. Habit 4. Skipping breakfast or eating breakfast too late, destroying the health of the elderly. Place setting: I'm not hungry, so I don't eat breakfast, a hidden danger. Older people often eat breakfast very late or skip breakfast altogether because they think they're not hungry, they're busy, or that drinking a glass of milk is enough. But in fact, this is one of the most harmful habits for the health of the elderly. Disappointed face. What happens if you regularly skip breakfast? Hypoglycemia. The body has no energy after 8 hours of sleep, tiredness, dizziness. Muscle loss, lack of nutrition in the morning. The body breaks down muscle to create energy. Increased risk of stroke and heart attack. Research shows that people who skip breakfast have a 27% higher risk of cardiovascular disease. Digestive disorders. Not eating breakfast. Digestive juices are still secreted. Stomach ulcers, bloating. Alarm clock. Eating breakfast too late is also not good. After 9 to 10 a.m., cortisol and insulin levels are disrupted, difficult to control blood sugar. Eating late makes you eat lunch close to lunchtime, making the digestive system work too hard, bloating, indigestion. This habit disrupts the biological clock in the long run. So what is the ideal breakfast for the elderly? Eat within 1 hour of waking up, ideally 6:30 to 8 o'clock. Eat enough protein, good fat, slow starch, for example, 1 egg plus black bread plus avocado. Oatmeal plus nut milk plus walnuts. Lay noodles plus green vegetables. Speech balloon. Personal suggestion: if you don't want to eat much early in the morning, you can have a light meal first, 1 banana, 1 glass of warm milk. Then eat the main breakfast 30 minutes later. No need to eat much, but definitely eat. Habit 5. Not doing light exercise in the morning accelerates aging. I'm old, rest is the main thing, a thought that causes health to decline. Many elderly people wake up, sit and drink tea, watch TV all morning without exercising, thinking that resting is good. But lack of exercise in the early morning slows down blood circulation, reduces metabolism and increases the risk of bone and joint pain. Warning sign: what happens if you don't exercise in the morning? Stiff joints. After a night's sleep, joints and muscles are frozen. If you don't move, you will feel pain when moving. Slow blood circulation. Poor blood circulation, lethargy, dizziness, increased risk of stroke. Reduced metabolism. When the body is sluggish, the digestive and immune systems also work more slowly. Fastest muscle loss. Lack of exercise for a long time, muscle atrophy, muscle weakness, loss of balance. Flexed biceps solution. Light exercise for 10 to 15 minutes every morning. Just a few gentle movements can make a big difference. Rotate wrists, ankles, shoulders and neck 3 minutes. Bend and stretch back and knees 5 minutes. Walk around the house, around the yard 10 minutes. Combine deep breathing, stretching muscles helps blood circulation. Alarm clock note: exercise after drinking water and eating a light meal, 1 banana, 1 glass of milk, is best. More tips from experience. Many people think that they have to exercise vigorously to be effective, but the key is regularity and moderate intensity. An 80-year-old man once told me, "I only walk around the yard for 15 minutes every morning, swinging my arms lightly, but for years I have not had the same joint pain as before." Habit 6. Drinking the wrong kind of water in the morning ruins the whole day. All water is water, common mistake. Older people often think, as long as you drink water, it's good, no need to differentiate. But in fact, some types of water in the morning can be harmful, especially for the elderly. Warning sign: types of water you should not drink when you first wake up. Concentrated orange juice, lemon juice, causes stomach pain because the stomach is empty. Ice cold water, sudden constriction of blood vessels causes stomach pain, digestive disorders. Strong coffee, increases blood pressure, makes the heart beat faster, dangerous for people with heart disease. Soft drinks, carbonated water, causes calcium loss, bloating, sudden increase in blood sugar. Condensed milk, high sugar, increases blood sugar when the stomach is empty, harms the pancreas. White heavy checkmark: best type of water in the morning, warm filtered water. Drinking a glass of warm water, 200-300 ml, after waking up helps wake up the digestive system, improve blood circulation, detoxify the body after 7 to 8 hours of not drinking anything. You can add a slice of fresh ginger or a few grains of Himalayan pink salt if you like, helps warm the stomach and replenish electrolytes slightly. Easy tip to remember: when you wake up in the morning, don't look for coffee, look for warm water first. A glass of warm water at the right time can reduce the risk of early morning stroke in the elderly by up to 30%, according to research by the American Heart Institute. Habit 7. Eating breakfast too late or skipping meals causes exhaustion, hypoglycemia. 3 o'clock, I'm not hungry, I'll eat lunch, dangerous for the elderly. Many elderly people wake up early but do not eat breakfast, or eat very late, after 9 to 10 o'clock. This puts the body in a state of prolonged hunger, leading to hypoglycemia, dizziness, lightheadedness, easy to fall, shaking hands, fatigue, temporary confusion. The body burns muscle for energy, causes sarcopenia, senile muscle atrophy. Reduces the effectiveness of morning medications, especially cardiovascular and diabetes medications. The elderly body needs stable energy. The elderly have a slow metabolism, but that does not mean they do not need to eat breakfast. In fact, a proper breakfast helps maintain stable blood sugar, keep the mind alert, protect muscles from breakdown, help medications work better. White heavy checkmark, ideal breakfast for the elderly. Meal time, within 1 hour of waking up. Should have enough. Easy to digest starch, oatmeal, whole wheat bread, boiled potatoes. Light protein, boiled eggs, tofu, low sugar yogurt. Good fats, a few walnuts, almonds. Low sugar vegetables or fruits, avocado, banana, apple, boiled vegetables. Pushpin quick tip. Healthy morning, not tired all day. A small breakfast, but the right way, helps the elderly maintain energy, protect memory, reduce the risk of falls and muscle loss. Habit 8. Exercising too early or the wrong way harms your heart, joints and blood pressure. Sunrise, I exercise from 4 to 5 a.m. every day. Be careful. Exercise is good, but if it is too early or done incorrectly, the elderly may experience hypothermia due to cold weather, constriction of blood vessels, increased risk of stroke. Sudden blood pressure spikes in the early morning, heart has not fully awakened. Joint injuries, falls if exercising in dark, humid, slippery places. Increased burden on the heart if exercising heavily right after waking up. 9 o'clock exercising at the wrong time is equal to more harm than good. The elderly body needs time to warm up because after a night of rest, heart, lungs, blood vessels work slowly. The nervous system is not ready for vigorous exercise. Low joint fluid prone to pain and inflammation if exercising early. White heavy checkmark solution, exercise at the right time. Best time, after 6:30 to 7 a.m., when the sun has risen, body temperature is stable. Should warm up thoroughly, rotate wrists, ankles, stretch shoulders, walk slowly in place 5 to 10 minutes. Suitable exercises. Light walking, slow cycling. Health, yoga, qigong. On-the-spot hand and foot exercises. Always wear soft-soled, non-slip shoes. Do not exercise when hungry, do not exercise too hard. Pushpin remember. Exercise at the right time, in the right way, helps the heart to be healthy, blood pressure to be stable, bones and joints to be flexible, and the spirit to be refreshed. Exercising at the wrong time, at the wrong intensity, can cost you a stroke. Habit 9. Not checking blood pressure before taking medication or exercising, potential risk of stroke, fainting. Face with open mouth and cold sweat, I still feel fine, no need to measure. Common mistake. Many elderly people skip measuring blood pressure in the morning, but in fact, morning blood pressure often fluctuates sharply due to increased stress hormones after waking up. If blood pressure is high but you still take medication or exercise, it can easily drop blood pressure too much, causing dizziness, fainting. On the contrary, if blood pressure is low and you take blood pressure lowering medication, it is doubly dangerous. Police cars revolving lights, silent consequences. Fainting while walking, easy to fall, traumatic brain injury. Headache, unexplained fatigue, often a sign of abnormal blood pressure. Using the wrong medicine at the wrong time affects heart and kidney function. White heavy checkmark simple solution, only takes 1 minute every morning. Measure blood pressure right after waking up and before taking medicine, exercising. Record the results every day in a monitoring book or phone. If you see blood pressure 150/90, should postpone exercise, rest, consult a doctor. Blood pressure 100/60, do not take blood pressure lowering medicine right away, drink water, have a light meal first. Use a standard electronic blood pressure monitor, measure correctly. Pushpin remember. Older people who want to live healthy must be friends with a blood pressure monitor every morning. Not measuring is equal to walking in the dark. Don't let a minute of carelessness ruin the rest of your life. Conclusion: taking care of yourself is taking care of your loved ones. Aging is not something we can avoid, but with simple but extremely important habits, we can maintain our health and quality of life for a long time. Don't let bad habits harm your life, but change today to create a healthier future. Wishing you good health, full of energy, and don't forget to share this article with your relatives and friends. Sometimes, just a small change in habits can save a person's life. Thank you for reading and supporting these positive messages. Stay tuned for more tips to help you or your loved ones live a healthy and long life.